Okay, it's day 2 of this bedroom I'm painting. Now, yesterday I had cracks all over the ceiling. Big cracks up here. They weren't really, they were just hairline cracks, okay? So I didn't take my usual method, which is to take a Stanley knife or something. I don't use, I'm liking these plastic things a lot these days. They're really good. So I just take and run the thing down there like that. And then whatever, depending on the size of the crack, you may need a bigger V. I'm making a little V so the filler can go into the V. Now I didn't do that on the ceiling. I just took the the Mirka sander here with 80 grit paper on it, and I used a lot of the edge. I edged those hairline cracks a lot, and sanded it all smooth. First, that's what we did. We sanded it down, and then I put the filler, which is the polyfilla, really quick drying stuff. So anything I do in half an hour, it can paint it. So I'm really pleased with the ceiling. There's only a couple of spots where I picked up on where the filler was not smooth enough. And so I just took the sander this morning and knocked down those edges a couple of little bits, and they'll be fine. So there might be one or two more little spots, but I'm real happy with that. Now, the time will tell how long that repair lasts. So that's what we're doing. This thing right here is the business. It hooks into your vacuum. You need one of these. They're really, really handy. Good for lots of stuff. So that's it for now.